The death toll from the Maui wildfires in the U.S. state of Hawaii reached 106 as of Tuesday. The Biden administration is facing renewed criticism for its response to the devastating wildfires after offering victims $700 per household in emergency aid. Critics described the sum as insulting and compared it with the more than $113 billion worth of aid the country has sent to Ukraine. Meanwhile, U.S. President Joe Biden was on vacation during the weekend and said little about the deadliest wildfire in the U.S. in a century. When pressed by reporters on Sunday about the rising death, he responded no comment. The fires broke out Tuesday last week. Maui residents have slammed the federal response to the devastating wildfires, saying that no one else is helping. The Federal Emergency Management Agency said more than 300 FEMA employees and 140 search and rescue team members have been deployed to assist Hawaii residents, with more on the way. According to the White House, the U.S. military personnel are also supporting response and rescue efforts.